Hello everyone, welcome to you all in my YouTube channel. So from today I'm going to start the Bootstrap class. Okay, so if you are also trying to learn Bootstrap, then this class will be very helpful, and I'll create a new playlist on my YouTube channel, and that will help you to teach Bootstrap. Okay, so without any delay, let's start. Okay, so first of all, let's start from the introduction of Bootstrap. So first of all, Bootstrap is a popular open source front-end framework for building responsive and mobile-first website. It provides a collection of pre-designed HTML, CSS, and JavaScript components and tools that help developers create visually appealing and functional web pages with ease. Okay, so it is one of the easiest framework for the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and you don't have to pay any money. It is open source, and you can use this framework in free of cost. Okay, so if you are creating a responsive web page design, then in that case you have to learn Bootstrap. And if you are creating a mobile first website, then in that case also you have to learn Bootstrap. Okay, so it will provide you the pre-designed HTML, CSS, and JavaScript components collection in free of cost. Okay, so you don't have to pay any money. So which will help you to create a very attractive web pages. Okay, so let's discuss about the features and benefits of Bootstrap. So first of all, it will help us to create a responsive grid design. Okay, so if you are familiar with grid layout in the CSS, but if you are familiar with grid system, in that case it will be very helpful for you also. Okay, so in the CSS you have to do lots of work for the grid system, right? But in the Bootstrap you don't have to work very much. Bootstrap offers a flexible grid system based on 𝗪𝗪 layout, allowing developers to create responsive web designs that adapt to different screen sizes and devices. And CSS components. Bootstrap provides a wide range of CSS components such as navigation bars, buttons, form dropdowns, alerts, modals, carousels, and more. These components are ready to use and can be easily customized to match the desired look and feel of a website. Okay, and it will provide you the responsive utilities. Bootstrap includes a set of responsive utility classes that can be used to control the visibility, positioning, and spacing of elements based on different screen sizes. This helps in creating responsive and adaptive layouts. Okay, so let's discuss more benefits of Bootstrap. It is browser compatibility. Bootstrap ensures cross-browser compatibility, making websites built with it work consistently across various modern browsers. Community and support. Bootstrap has a large and active community of developers, which means there are plenty of sources, documentation, and third-party themes available. Additionally, Bootstrap official documentation is comprehensive and well-maintained. Fast development. By using Bootstrap pre-built components and responsive grid system, developers can save time and effort in creating the basic structure and styling of website. It provides a solid foundation that can be customized as needed. So if you are using a Bootstrap, so the Bootstrap is the almost all browser it is supported language. Okay, so you don't have to do various type of the codes for different language. For example, if you are using the Chrome or Microsoft Edge, in that case it will support by single code. Okay, and it have a large active community supports also. So if you get any types of problem, then in that case you can easily get lots of forums, and you can easily find different type of the solutions. And if you are doing the web page design from scratch, it will take lots of time, right? But if you learn Bootstrap, you don't have to waste your time. You can easily do fast development. Okay, so let's start. So in this course you will get so we will learn different type of the thing. So first of all, we will learn about the HTML structure. Okay, so in the HTML structure session, we will learn to create the basic structure of an HTML document. We will learn to include the necessary CSS and JavaScript file for Bootstrap, and we will learn set up the viewport meta tag for responsive behavior. Okay, and we in our second class we will learn the navbar also. So it will help you to create a responsive navigation bar using Bootstrap navbar component. Okay, and you can easily customize the navbar by adding a logo, links, drop down menus, and source functionality if needed. Okay, and we will learn to create header also. So if after learning the header, you will design a header section for your website. You will create you will utilize the Bootstrap grid system to structure the layout, and you will add responsive images for or background images if desired. Okay, and in the main content, you will divide the main content into sections using Bootstrap container and row classes, and you will utilize the Bootstrap grid system to create responsive columns, and you will include text, images, videos, or any other content you want to display. Okay, and you will create the Bootstrap form also. So after learning the Bootstrap form, you will be able to design and implement forms for user input such as contact forms or login forms. You will utilize Bootstrap's form components and validation classes. Okay, and you will customize the form layout and styling as needed. Okay, and you will learn Bootstrap buttons and icons also. So after learning the Bootstrap button and icons, you will be able to incorporate Bootstrap button classes for interactive elements, and you will utilize Bootstrap icon library to enhance the user interface, and you will be able to customize the appearance of buttons and icons to match your design. Okay, and you will learn to use Bootstrap typography also. It is one of the useful things. So after learning the Bootstrap typography, you will utilize Bootstrap typography classes for heading, paragraphs, and text styling, and you will be able to customize the font color and other properties as desired, and you will ensure proper readability and accessibility of the text. Okay, and you will learn the responsive design also. After learning that one, you will be able to ensure that your website is responsive and adapts to different screen sizes, and you will utilize Bootstrap responsive classes and breakpoints to create a mobile friendly experience, and you will be able to test and optimize the website responsiveness on various devices and screen resolutions. Okay, and you will learn the Bootstrap footer also. After learning the Bootstrap footer, you will be able to create a footer section at the bottom of your web page, and you will be able to include relevant information such as contact details, social media links, or copyright notice, and you will be able to customize the footer design and layout according to your preferences. Okay, and you will learn more things in this class. So in the last, we will learn the additional components of Bootstrap also. So you will be able to explore and incorporate other Bootstrap components such as carousels, modals, encoding, or tooltips to enhance the functionality and interactivity of your website, and you will be able to customize and integrate these components as per your requirement. Okay, so hoping that you get few ideas. So what is Bootstrap and what are the benefits of Bootstrap? Maybe you also learn from this video, and after watching this video, we will meet in another new video, and we will create a new HTML structure, and we will implement the CDN of Bootstrap, and we will download the Bootstrap code also. So we will learn to implement the Bootstrap in our another class. So hoping that you get few ideas from this class. Thank you so much.